Welcome to the second Gera Fold tutorial on the folding machine Gerafold 205. So first of all, with your mobile device, that can be a mobile or tablet, you can capture the QR code. This is a link to Google Drive to download the application to install in your device. You download the file, you have to unzip and then install on your device. If the application says that requires authorization because it's not safe, enable it and download it and install it anyway. The application is safe, it's produced by Gera, but it's not certified by Google. But it's recording simply the folder information and not the user or the mobile data. When we have the tablet with the application installed, we can select the properly icon, folder manager. At the beginning, the application is empty value. So we have to select the connection icon blue. And here we have a list of Bluetooth device. In order to decide which is the right device to connect, we have to read the code here. You see that our Bluetooth device is ending with EF61. So on the list, we have to select the code EF61. So folder connected successfully. And now we see that the folder has a default fold package dimension 185. So the blue icon tells us which is the panel dimension that the folder will apply on your documents. Meanwhile, the other orange fields are enabling us to adjust the fold dimension panel 1, panel 2, panel 3, and below all the odd and even panels. So let's make a test and try to modify the second panel and increasing the dimension of this panel. Okay, well, now we have folded the documents. You have to take care to have the first panel in this direction. We take the ruler, we fit the ruler in the middle, and you see that we have the panel dimension, the second panel, 185 millimeters. Now, we go on the tablet, we connect, and we had 300 steps equal to 3 millimeters. So 100 steps equal 1 mil. We have wrote 300, we save the data into the machine and we make another document. We have folded the second document. We place the ruler on the second panel and we see that the second panel is 188. So it's 3 millimeters longer than the previous standard 185. So we increase it 3 millimeters roughly our panel dimension. Okay, now we connect again. We want to make 300 steps equal to minus 3 millimeters. So we select, okay, with the folder application manager connected, we go on the orange field, we write minus 300, so we have to use the right key 300, equal minus 3 millimeters, and then the orange press it to become blue for to write. Okay, now we have made the third document folded. And we measure the second panel, and now the second panel is 182 millimeters. So our second panel is 182, 3 millimeters shorter than the standard 185. Okay, now we have to set up 0 to restore the original settings. One thing that we have to do is be aware to not attempt to make a modification of the field, like for example the first field 100, without to be connected. So in this case, we mismatch between the tablet and the folder. The best way in this case is to close the application, reopen the application, reconnect the application, and then you rewrite your information, and then you save it. This is the right procedure in order to properly apply the modification. Thanks a lot for your attention.